Can you push your wheelbarrow? Can you push it? Don't push it into the tent. Where's your boots? Don't throw balls at me, please. Thank you. Now go get them. Hurry. Hurry, go get them. Throw them in your tent. Ow, not on my face. That's not nice.
Bong.
Ready? Can you push your wheelbarrow? Can you put them in the wheelbarrow? Yeah, that's in your tent. You're so funny. Can you put the ball in the wheelbarrow? Can you make it in? Throw it. Make a basket. Can you make a basket? Woo! Almost. Woo! All right. Make a basket. Good job. Get ready and throw them in and make a basket. Can you make a basket? No? What? Be careful running, babe. Oh, you're going to make a basket way over there. All right. All right. Good job. Is that your goal? Are you going to give that one to baby Aiden? That one's by the door for baby Aiden, honey. Can you put them in your wheelbarrow? That's Mama's.
Mama.
What?
Mama.
Pick up your mater and your octopus and put them in your room. Come on. Let's clean up. Clean up our toys. Go put them in your wheelbarrow. Let's go put them in your wheelbarrow. Come on. Can you put them up? Put them up. Good boy. Where does that one go? Very good, thank you.